Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sirmeo's garden. Sirmeovlogs is here. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Perhaps one of the most common and easy to care for houseplants available in the market today, the marble queen Pothos is in. Epipremnum or Ryu marble queen is a variety of Pothos that is characterized by vining foliage that has beautiful white and cream variegation. Similar to other common varieties of Pothos, the marble queen Pothos grows well indoors and can adapt to a range of growing conditions, making it versatile and perfect for beginners. Unfortunately, marble queen Pothos are considered mildly toxic to cats, dogs, and humans if ingested. Take caution with these Pothos if you have pets or young children at home. This highly variegated Pothos is versatile, forgiving, and of course, easy to grow. They can grow well in nearly any space in your home and don't require things like regular pruning or repotting in order to thrive. In fact, marble queen Pothos enjoy being slightly root-bound and should only need to be repotted once every couple of years. While marble queen Pothos can flower, it is rare to see them flower indoors, and their flowers are fairly insignificant compared to their stunning foliage anyways. However, if you are lucky enough to see one, it is a great sign that your Pothos is happy and thriving under your care. As with most Pothos, marble queen Pothos do best with bright indirect light. Generally, marble queen Pothos can do well in a variety of soil conditions as long as the soil is well draining and loamy. They are commonly grown in standard indoor potting soil, which is readily available at most plant stores and greenhouses. Marble queen Pothos enjoy consistent watering but are also relatively drought tolerant, so don't panic if you forget the occasional watering. Ideally, they should be watered once the top 2 to 3 inches of the soil has dried out. Thank you so much for your love and support. God bless us all.